Understanding Feeling Ostracized, a guide to navigating social exclusion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches on the emotional aspect of language learning. Understanding the phrase, feeling ostracized. Whether you're navigating new social circles or trying to fit into a different culture, knowing this term can help you better articulate your experiences. So, let's get started and explore what it means to feel ostracized, why it happens, and how to cope with it. Feeling ostracized refers to the sensation of being excluded, left out, or shunned by others. It's more than just not being included. It's a form of social rejection that can have deep emotional impacts. When someone feels ostracized, they might feel invisible or as though they don't belong to a group or community they were once part of or wish to join. This term captures the pain and isolation that come from being deliberately excluded. There are numerous reasons someone might feel ostracized. It can happen in workplaces, schools, social circles, and even within families. Common causes include differences in opinion, where one's beliefs or views clash with the majority, cultural or ethnic backgrounds that differ from the predominant group, personal conflicts or misunderstandings, bullying or intentional exclusion by others. Understanding the root cause is crucial in addressing the feelings and finding solutions. The impact of feeling ostracized should not be underestimated. It can lead to emotional distress, including feelings of sadness, anger, or depression. Lower self-esteem, as individuals may start doubting their worth or value. Social withdrawal, where the fear of further rejection leads one to pull away from social interactions altogether. Recognizing these impacts is the first step towards healing and finding ways to cope. Feeling ostracized can be tough, but there are ways to cope and rebuild your sense of belonging. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals who can provide empathy and understanding. Engage in self-reflection to understand your feelings and the situation from a broader perspective. Find new communities where your values and interests align more closely with those of the group. Practice self-care to bolster your mental and emotional health. Remember, feeling ostracized is often more about the actions of others than anything to do with your worth or value as a person. Feeling ostracized can be a challenging experience, but understanding what it means and how to cope can significantly lessen its impact. Remember, it's okay to seek help and look for communities where you feel valued and included. We hope this video has been helpful in navigating these complex feelings. If you've ever felt ostracized, know that you're not alone and there are ways forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.